8 oxygen-rich foods that help you breathe better. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome, and consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that little bell notification below. Oxygen is a necessary nutrient for life's growth, repair, and survival. Maintaining average oxygen concentration in the system is critical for good health. Natural oxygen uptake helps carry out overall bodily functions and processes and triggers the immune system. It's critical to understand why certain foods help boost oxygen levels. These foods are not inherently oxygen-rich. They contain vitamins, minerals, and molecules, and have an alkaline pH, which is necessary for the body to maintain optimal blood flow and oxygen levels. The following food we're going to show you are the best options. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados are high in vitamin A, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, choline, folate, polyunsaturated fatty acids, and dietary fiber. These nutrients help increase oxygen levels, lower cholesterol, promote heart health, control blood sugar levels, enhance lipid profile, safeguard DNA, prevent osteoarthritis, achieve better eye health, and aid in weight loss. Number 2. Lemons. Lemons are one of the most effective foods for increasing oxygen levels in the body. Because of their natural electrolytic activities, they are alkalizing food. Even though they're acidic, they become alkaline when consumed. They also treat ailments such as the common cold, cough, heartburn, and hypersensitivity. Lemons also purify the liver and aid in waste elimination. Number 3. Cayenne pepper. Peppers are high in vitamin C, a water-soluble nutrient that acts as a potent antioxidant in the body. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which stimulates secretions and protects mucous membranes in the upper and lower respiratory tracts. It's best to drink cayenne pepper tea, which is also high in beta-carotene and has been shown to help reduce many asthma symptoms. Number 4. Spinach. Green leafy vegetables, such as spinach, are high in nitrate. Nitrates are converted by the body into nitric oxide. Consuming greens ensures the blood flows freely throughout the vital organs. Aside from that, spinach lowers blood pressure and dilation of blood vessels in the arteries, making it helpful in increasing oxygen levels. Number 5. Organ meat. Organ meat, such as liver, heart, and brain, is highly nutritious. It's high in B3, B6, B12, D, and protein. Copper, iron, and zinc are also abundant in the organ meat. It also contains good fats. Furthermore, they have heme-iron, which aids in the improvement of hemoglobin levels in the body, thereby increasing oxygen levels. You can eat organ meat once a week or every 2 weeks to get the nutrients you need to improve your oxygen levels. However, organ meat should not be consumed regularly. You should avoid eating organ meat if you have high cholesterol or arthritis. Number 6. Pomegranate. Iron, copper, zinc, vitamins B3 and B6, and choline are all found in pomegranates. They increase blood flow and oxygen delivery by increasing nitric oxide bioavailability. Pomegranate kernels or freshly pressed pomegranate juice help dilate blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow. This reduces the possibility of tissue damage caused by low oxygen saturation. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric is known as India's golden spice. It's high in nutrients. It also has therapeutic medicinal properties that help us stay healthy. Turmeric also raises nitric oxide levels, responsible for blood vessel dilation. Furthermore, turmeric improves blood flow to vital organs, which boosts oxygen levels in the body by creating more oxygen available to tissues for use. Number 8. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are high in protein and contain iron, zinc, calcium, potassium, copper, magnesium, selenium, and vitamins B3, B5, B6, C, and D. The beta-glucans found in mushrooms act as an antioxidant, lowering plasma cholesterol levels and preventing nerve damage. Mushrooms also have anti-inflammatory properties. They dilate blood vessels and prevent blood clots and the formation of fatty deposits in arteries.